Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this couple of videos about a couple of charts, Nasdaq and S&P 500. I got some few demands for that. So let's get started. This is the chart. I'm just going to make a small quick video. Okay, so Nasdaq 40-minute chart. I made this based on the Elliott Wave count. And usually Elliott wave count, if I have it open here, so this is how it goes, right? So wave one, and then you have ABC collection for wave two. Then, five subwaves make it wave three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sometimes these subwaves are clear, sometimes they're not. But then wave four comes, ABCs. In this area, you might have a flat correction or a triangle. Usually is a flat correction, right? If you have a zigzag here, you might have a flat correction in this area. Flat is like mostly A equal B equals C. C goes a little bit beyond A. So this is how the wave four unfold usually. So what is happening here? Well, I saw this is happening. So I said, okay, this is wave one, this is wave two, and this is wave three, 161%. By the way, this is the NASDAQ 40-minute chart I made, right? So what happened to this chart so far? It went up a little bit more than what I was expecting. And see, I was expecting somewhere here, 161%, but it went up here and then finish up wave three there. And now it's dropping, right? So basically, the wave four has started already. It went up a little bit more, means the wave three was a little bit more extended, which is normal, right? Wave three is the most powerful and the biggest of all waves in five wave phenomena. So it was expected, right? So this is nice wave one, two, wave three, followed by wave four. Now wave four will come, like I said, that most likely 90% of the time is in flat correction. So be aware that it's gonna drop, it's gonna go up, but if it doesn't make higher high, it will come back down for wave C below A. Okay. So this is what is going to happen here. This is A probably finishing here. Then it will go up for B. Then it will come down for wave C around 38%. That would be wave four, right? According to the theory of Elliott wave. And then we'll see if we can go up for wave five even more higher, right? This is the 40-minute chart, and this is how the Nikkei weekly chart look like, right? So this is wave one, two, and then powerful, small wave one, two, somewhere, right? This, and then wave three, wave four, and this wave five extended. The way it is, this is the high, and I was expecting that it's going to drop from there, but it didn't. It dropped, but it went up again. And now you can see today is Thursday. We ended Thursday already. Tomorrow is Friday. If we ended up like this candle, this is called shooting a star, the one right here. See that? Big wick to the top, right? So after that, the reaction usually is to the downside. So move comes to the downside. So this could be coming back down here with this rising TL. All right, so be aware of that. This number is 184.87, and I'm expecting wave four around somewhere here. We might go back up for wave five, right from there. Maybe the extension for this to this around maybe 127 or 161 usually, right? So this is 127 already. If we can see that we might go for 161, which is a little bit up there, 194.91, right? So we touched 127 exactly. If you look at the 40-minute chart, you may not see that. But see this high to this high, let me show you. It is so perfect by the book. So you see it is, let me just go here so that you can see where exactly it is. Close to the price, right? So you see the extension target, the first extension is always 127, which is right there. They touched that 127 and now it's dropping. Right. So once we finish this, we're probably going to go back to touch the 161% somewhere here. Got it? So this is what Nasdaq is doing. Let's go take a look at the USD. No, not USD. Where am I? S&P 500. Right? So if it's S&P 500 chart I made on 18th May was this, that this wave 1, 2, wave 3, count 161%, and it's going to drop for wave 4. Now, this baby behaved accordingly, according to my chart, and it turned from there exactly, see this? 161, it went up a little bit, just a little bit, and then now it starts to drop. So again, this chart is still intact, and it is going to come down here to 38%. If you go from here to here, wave 3, 38% is right around the corner here. So again, flat correction expected. If we A, B, C right here is going to be coming down below this channel tier, then it will go back inside again for wave 5 to the upside. Okay, so these are the two things that now we both these Nasdaq and S&P 500 has fall into wave 4. That would be wave A, B, C. Nasty correction coming in, and sometime it turns into a triangle, which is more, like worst of all, right? So it has 5 legs, A, B, C, D, E, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then, you get killed. So the best practice is to not to trade wave 4. But in case of flat, when it's going to drop and it will go up, right? When it start to go up, you can go long, right? Using a system or whatever, like my system, right? Maybe you will just completely go all the way to the upside without making a wave C, right? That's a possibility. So after A, you will try to go up for B. And if not, it's going to come down again for wave C. Then we will go up and go long from there again. We will try that again, right? And then go for wave 5 to the upside. That's how the idea is. Very easy to find these waves, but the key factor is how to get into the wave, what system that you use. That's why, my system is, so perfect that, if it's coming down, okay, no problem. I'm just sitting and waiting. And then when it makes a turn, I have a reversal candle, I have a blue candle here, then I go on my 20-minute chart and we find entry. Look at this. When it makes that retracement, right? Then it start to go up and then start going up, entry, 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 and look, how beautiful, right? So that's exactly what's going to happen. It's going to drop here, retrace, and then start to go up for wave 5, and it will be going like this. And then I'll be taking these entries here. Just like that, Nasdaq, you can see Nasdaq 20-minute chart is coming down right now, but see, entry here, goes up there, retracement, entry there, and it goes up there again. Even before that, look at that. It was retracement, and then after that, entry, 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 and none of these entries hitting SL. Right there from entry here, you have your SL here. This one might go out at break even, but then you get in here again, and right, all this big trade, right? So this is how it is. I hope that you will, I explained it good, right? Hopefully, and just prepare yourself and trade accordingly. And today's Thursday, Friday, and after that, new week starts Monday, and then we will see what it is going to do. But I think today and tomorrow, Friday, it will be in retracing this area into wave 4, right? So which is, like I said, that is dangerous, very nasty sometimes, and one should stay away from it, right? So once it start to go to the upside for wave 5, then I'll be all over it again. Okay, so bye for now, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and go on my website if you want to get the subscription, my system, or sign up for one-on-one, whatever. This is creativetrading-system.com, and the other website is called ElliottWaveMaster.com, right? So that is mostly Elliott Wave and different Elliott Wave and Herman pattern courses and all of that available on that website. That is ElliottWaveMaster.com. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.